Miss Tiffany. Today we'll be writing with color words. Let's begin. Go ahead and grab yourself something to write with and a whiteboard or paper if you like to write along with the lesson. If not, you can just listen and spell the words with me. Pause the video when you need more time to work. Today we'll practice writing sentences with color words. Here are the color words we'll be working on today. Our first color is pink. Spell the word with me. Ready? P-I-N-K. Pink. Our next color word is red. R-E-D. Red. Orange. What letters are in the word orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Yellow. Let's spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Our next word is purple. P-U-R. P-L-E. Purple. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Spell the color word black with me. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Gray. G-R-A-Y. Gray. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. Nice work. Let's work on some sentences. Let's read the sentences, and I'd like you to tell me which color word is missing. I have a cat. I have a white cat. W-H-I-T-E. White. I see an pumpkin. I see an orange pumpkin. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. He has a shirt. has a purple shirt. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. I like apples. I like red apples. R-E-D. Red. The car is fast. The yellow car is fast. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. There's a frog. There's a green frog. G-R-E-E-N. Green. I see birds in the sky. I see blackbirds in the blue sky. B-L-A-C-K. Black. B-L-U-E. Blue. A owl sits in the tree. A gray owl sits in the tree. G-R-A-Y. Gray. You're doing great. There is a cow. There is a brown cow. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. I have socks. I have pink socks. P-I-N-K. Pink. Now, choose a color word and make your own sentence. You can think up your own sentence, or you can use this picture to make a sentence. Pause the video if you need to work. And if you're not writing, just say your sentence out loud. Good job. Share your sentence with someone. You did a great job today working with color words. I will see you soon with a new lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell.